Exercise. Answer the following by choosing the correct option. So, A1 we are doing maps are. Okay. Come to the third option. It is almost accurate representation of the earth we live on. Okay. So, put a tick on the third option, and that is almost accurate representation of the earth we live on. Now see the B1. What is the name for a line that connects points with similar temperature? Okay, it is the first option, that is isotherm. Okay, so put a tick on the first, isotherm. Okay, now let us move to the next one, and that is the C part. Blue color is used for showing. It is again the first option, that is water bodies. Okay. Now D1. Isotherms join places. See the second one. Isotherms join places that. It is the second option, experience similar temperatures. Okay. So put a tick on the second option. Now, come on to page number 13. Now we will be doing the 7th exercise, that is learning is fun. Okay. So, here we have to solve the puzzle on maps and globes. So, you can write the answer at the end of the sentence. Afterwards, the same answer you can write it in the puzzle. So, see the first one. Okay. Now, first we will be doing all the puzzles which are written in an across way. So, see the second one. A fairly accurate drawing that shows detailed features of a place or building. So, the first one is what? Plan. Okay. Detailed feature of a place or building, that is plan. Third one, a rough drawing of an area. Okay. A rough. Now, third one is a rough drawing of an area. So, it is sketch. See the fourth one, a feature of a map that represents the type of information being depicted on a map, that is title. Sixth one, model of the earth, globe. Seventh one, further division of the cardinal directions, intermediate. Then see the next, a map depicting one feature or theme, that is thematic. Okay. Now see the 11th one, the four main directions, that is cardinal. Come to page number 14. Okay. Down. See the first one, a person who makes maps. Right there, cartographer. Third one, ratio between the distances on the map to the actual distance on the ground, scale. Fifth one, along with keys, this is used to interpret maps correctly, legend. See the eighth one, a diagrammatic representation of the earth or a part of it on a flat surface made true to scale, that is map. Okay. Ninth, a book of maps, atlas. Answer the following in brief. Okay. So hold a pencil in hand, and at the end of the question write the page number. So the first one is, what is a globe? Okay. So come to page number 10. Okay. So summary. In summary, have a look. See the first point. What is a globe? Okay. This is the first answer in brief. It is, a globe is a small scale model of the earth. It is the true representation of the earth in its spherical shape. This is the first answer. Okay, answer A. Now see answer B. Define a map. Again come to page number 10. Okay, see the second point in summary. A map is a symbolic representation of selected characteristics of a place, usually drawn on a flat surface. Okay, now see the third one. C1 lists the different types of maps based on scale. Again come to page number 10. Okay, see the third point in summary. You will only write large scale maps and small scale maps. Large scale maps, small scale maps. Okay. Then see the D1. What is a scale? Again come to page number 10. Okay. See the fourth point in summary under the heading summary. Fourth point, scale is the ratio between the distance on a map and the corresponding true distance on the ground. Okay. Now see the E1.